D-Day is one of the most special films for me. It'll always be the most special film for me. I mean, anybody, whichever studio I go to, they say, can you do a part 2? I made D-Day because of this scene. For me, the film D-Day was this scene. How would Ritesh, and Suresh, and myself reach this point and come to this point in the film? Eventually, they shoot him and they leave him to die in the desert. I had seen that shot of the glass somewhere in my head. The glasses and the sand just fills up the glasses. So I wanted it to be in desert. I wanted it to be in Jaisalmer or wherever we couldn't afford it. Tom Struthers, who was an action director, also told me that the best action scenes should never be shot in the night. They need to be shot in the day, so you can see the action, so you can see the drama. I also wanted the first shot to see Rishi Kapoor playing this very dangerous man, India's most wanted man, drinking water as if he's a thirsty animal. So that shot of him, so that's why that's why Arjun has dry lips. Even Huma, they all look very tired. It looks as if that they've reached the end. When I saw the film with the audiences, they start laughing first. And they first start laughing at what he's saying, and it's a very uncomfortable laughter, or rather the laughter becomes uncomfortable, and then it goes into absolute silence, because everything he's saying, okay, whether it is the hanging of Kasab, whether it is कि मुझे किसने सिखाया, इस देश ने सिखाया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब कुछ बिकता है. Okay, now you have you have the Dawood Ibrahim character saying यहाँ पे सब कुछ बिकता है. अरे तुमने ही तो सब कुछ, that it was in that vein that you suddenly feel, how dare you tell us this? You have no right to tell me this. I mean, you are the one who has perpetuated this whole thing. How are you telling me, you are giving me a lecture about, and so everything that you probably would talk about in your homes and dining tables, conversations that people had, and that you were hoping that other people would talk about and the leaders of this country would talk about, you have him saying it. And you feel like by the time he starts saying "Sare jahan se acha," you want somebody to just shoot him. For God's sake, somebody just shoot him, and boom, it happens.
हाँ, मेरे साथ भी यही सर्कस होगी. अरेस्ट करोगे, चैनल पे पैनल बुलाओगे, लोकल ट्रेन पे मेरी बातें होंगी, ब्रेकिंग न्यूज में तेल, मोबाइल, साबुन सब बिकेगा. बरखा बोलेगी, राजदीप बोलेगा, अर्नब गोस्वामी चिल्लाएगा. फिर जब वो सब साइलेंस हो जाएंगे, मैं बिग बॉस चला जाऊंगा सलमान भाई के पास. और शायद जीत भी जाऊं, आखिर भाई हूं. और मालूम है जीती हुई रकम से क्या करूंगा? वली खान जैसे चूतियों के नाम एक मकबरा बनाऊंगा, और 2 लाइन शायद लिख भी दूं. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हम.
हिंदुस्तान हमारा. कराची से बोल रहा हूं साले को मुंह बंद रखने को, लेकिन तुझसे होगा नहीं. हाँ, सच कहा तूने. गलतियां हुई हैं हमसे, अब भी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारी सबसे बड़ी गलती तू है. थक गए हमारे लोग, सुधार चाहिए उनको. सुधार की शुरुआत तुझसे करते हैं. अपने गुलाबी चश्मे हटा और एक बदले हुए नया इंडिया का चेहरा सबसे पहले तू देख.
Subscribe to Film Companion, hit that button below to get your film fix. Please.